Hello, children. Today we shall learn about family. What is the difference between your home and your neighbor's home? Children, can you return to your neighbor's home after school? No, 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 no. Then, what is so special about your home? Yes, there lives your family, your mother, your father, your cousins, your grandparents, like all the other children, you get your needs fulfilled by your family. Family not only fulfills all your basic needs like cloth, food, education, it also gives you support when you need it, like cheer up when you are sad. Family encourage you when you feel down and celebrate with you on your achievements. Remember how your mother takes care of you every day. The whole family always stand by you when you need support. What we learn in family help us to grow in life. We learn values like honesty, kindness from elders. Father shows you value of hard work. We also see and learn many other things from our family members like tradition, sharing, etc. These children helps us grow to be a better person in future, as we all know. Well, you children now know how important our family is. That's why we should love and care about our family. Our parents do everything for us. Don't you think we should do something for them too? Yes. Our mother and father spend many days in worry and many nights without sleep when we are sick. So, we should do something to make our mother and father happy. We should love and respect them. We should learn what they want to teach us, like honesty, discipline, and hard work. When they are strict, it means they want to show us the right way. They want to stop us from doing wrong. Once, Aman's parents bought sweater for him and his sister, but didn't buy anything for themselves because there was a shortage of money. You know, children, our parents provide us good food, education, clothes all the time, but sometimes they may come and then they make sacrifices for their children. So, in big families, parents manages so many things to make you happy. So, when parents can't give you something, try to understand the reason besides. Sometimes your brother or sister needs something more important than you. They are all in your family. They love and support you. So you should think about them and most importantly, always love them. There may be few members in the family who needs help to do something, for example, your grandparents. So they can't manage the things like us. So we should always help a person in need. Our grandparents guide us, they advise us with their experiences. So family is not just few people who live together. There is a relation of love and affection between them. So, always love and care for your family and stay together.